guys, welcome back. It's me, and today I'm going to be making slime, but picking out of these colors. Because I wanted to do it from this one channel. I forgot. There's two twins and one girl. I forgot what her name is, but yeah, let's get to it. So, I made slime yesterday, but I mean, look, I'm just going to use these because they're little. I'm going to try to do 3 rounds. So yeah, 3 rounds. So let's make some slime. So I forgot my knife. These are just what we had. And I'm going to close my eyes and picking. See, these are all the colors. And I don't have a partner today, so it's just going to be me. And if you look up and see my colors, so that you can see closer. So then I'm going to be first round, I'm going to be putting all the ingredients and then at the end stir. I put way too much this in it, but it's okay. I'll make it work. So let's get it. I have to pick 3. Okay, I got brown, yellow, and pink. Pink, yellow, and brown. So let's see what I can do with all these colors. It's probably nothing, but let's see. So first I want to probably put a and you have to at least use you have to use all of them, because that'd be just kind of like cheating. So let me get a napkin. Napkin. Sorry, I was not ready for this. So put that in there. I'm trying to use a lot of pink because I don't think the brown's going to make it. I got this like bright pink. It looks like bubble gum. When you start together with this color, you just put a little bit of pink. It's turning out like I never put my Tide in like that. It's turned out like yellow and it looks like red. And I got shaving cream all over. Okay, it's okay. And look, it's got like a brown glob in it. See? I am not liking these colors at all. Because like if you put your finger in it, it's brown. put a little bit more shaving cream. Shaving foam. Wrong way. I'm just a mess with shaving cream. So it's like an ugly color. It is ugly, ugly, ugly. So I'll just stir it. I'll be you on the next. Okay, hi. We're back and my slime is looking just like orange, a sunset orange. It's really actually a good slime. My hands are watery. So it like stretch and stuff. Slipping on my hand because I have shaving cream on it. Like this. Hold on, I'll be right back and see you with the bubble. So yeah, this slime's good. I like it, how it feels. It's stretchy. It does not stick. So yeah.